Now let us talk about Mac terminal commands. We will see what is PWD, how to use PWD, ls cd dot touch open nano clear cmd plus k tab ls with another directory make t within another directory rm file name rm-r directory, like that. So let's see the demo now. Go to terminal. If you don't see the terminal, you will be able to see the terminal under the utilities in the applications. You have a utilities, you have the terminal. You can launch from here, or if it is already there in the dock, you can launch from here. So right now I have launched. Okay. So let's talk about first PWD. What is PWD? Print working directory is PWD. Currently we are in this directory, users online tech university. PWD is the print working directory. Next one, ls list current directory, that's what ls. So under the university we have these many number of directories and files. How to confirm on that? Use the open folder, open current directory, right? So pwd, right? So you can say open, this is a current directory, right? Copy the current directory, paste it and enter it. It opens the finder with that directory. So now if I put ls here, you can see that Android Studio projects, like that, all the projects, and directly there is a file called display, right? The display a large text. So like that, it will list all the folders and directories of the current working directory. Next one is cd dot about change directory. Cd space, I want to go to this directory called test directory. Let's go the test directory. Okay, we are in test directory. Is there any file under ls? Test directory ls, there is no file. You can verify here also. Let's create the file under the test directory using touch command. Touch first file dot text. Okay, it created the first file dot text. Open the first file dot text. Open first file dot text. It's open the text edit. You can see that text file, line number 1, text file. Command yes, save. Command q, quit. So we have modified the test file. You want to open that test first file in the terminal, there is an option called nano first file dot text. So now the file is open in the nano. We can see that, right? Test file. When enter nano file update, nano file update demo. So if you see the commands, you got to use these commands. So control O is write out, it will write the files, save the files. So you see the two lines, wrote 2 lines, right? 2 lines are updated. You want to exit, control X, exited. Now open and verify the first file again, with first file .txt. So you can see that for 2 files are updated. Now quit it. Next command is we go in touch open nano clear. So now we got this many number of command already executed. Let's clear that. Clear, it will clear the everything. So once clear, then there are like ls, and you can see the files listed in the current directory. There's a hotkey command K to clear it. Command K to clear it. Okay, Now go back to the parent folder, cd space dot dot, right? Now put ls, sorry, ls, right? It lists everything including all the files and folders. So now if you want to go back, how to use tab control, right? Using, right? So cd, we have test, right? Use tab. So we have the two files, right? So let's test directory, right? So that's it. You can go to you can use the tab to auto complete the folder or file. Yeah, so that's how you can use a tab. Now ls with another directory. So let's create one more directory here, mkdir directory 1 is created under the test directory, right? So now what we can do it, so let's create the one file under the directory 1, touch directory tab, test file 1 dot txt. So file created, you can see is here. So you can create, you can use touch file under the touch command to create the file under another directory, right? So now ls with another directory, right? You want to list the directory 1, you can say list directory 1. So it has this file which is under this file, right? Under this file actually. Okay, so next command is make the rename the file name, right? Remove, not rename. Rm means remove. So for example, we get the test file 1, okay, under the directory 1. Let me go to cd directory 1, right? So rm remove test file 1, so it's removed. Then this directory 1 does not have any file now. Okay, so now go back to the parent directory, cd space dot, right, list. So it contains the directory 1 and first file text. So you want to remove this directory, you can use rm -r, all right, directory 1. Okay, so the directory 1 is removed and its files also removed. Okay, ls, now first file is there, that is directly directly under the test directory. So test directory, you want to remove that file, put that rm first. Okay, this is also removed. So these are the commands I think very useful. So that is that I'm going through each command with the example. I hope it is useful for you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any query, please ask in the comments, and share with your friends, subscribe, and click the bell notification symbol. Thank you.